We open our SCHUNK Tribos-RM Starter Kit and have a look at the components inside. The background component, that's the clamping device Tribos-RM SVP. Additionally, we have a torque wrench. The assembling device is for mounting the clamping device at your workplace. 5 Tribos-RM tool holders of the same machine interface but with 5 different tool clamping diameters are included. We fix the assembly device to the Tribos SVP with the enclosed screws. Put in your Tribos-RM tool holder inside the clamping device properly and screw in the actuation screw of your clamping device to the end stop. Now insert your tool. You can adjust the proper clamping depth with a caliper. Release the actuation screw of the assembling device until your tool is clamped and you can take out your tool holder effortlessly. Now it's time to make some chips in our 3-axis machining center. Let's mill the small aluminum workpiece with the tool we clamped a moment ago. With the help of the integrated measuring sensor, the machine measures the length of our combination Tribos-RM and millicutter for a superior machining process. That really sounds like a perfect cutting process because of the vibration damping effect of our Tribos-RM tool holder. In day-to-day work, the excellent vibration damping in combination with a superior run-out accuracy guarantees a great workpiece surface and a long tool life.